This is a perfect pressure cooker biryani. I can't wait for you to try this. Get ready in the pressure cooker for less than half an hour. And how the meat is looking, how soft is the potatoes. It is nice and hot. I can't wait. Let's try it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. This is one of the most requested video on my channel and on my Facebook group is the pressure cooker biryani. Today I am so ready for you guys to show you how I make this beautiful, quick, easy pressure cooker biryani, and I am doing this with beef, but yes, you can do this with lamb definitely, or you can use goat as well. So let's begin without wasting time. As you can see here in this bowl, I have the meat already. I'm using boneless, just boneless, and my pressure cooker will serve like up to 4 person biryani. So I'm using this. The only amount of meat will fit in my pressure cooker is about 700 to 750 grams of meat. So I have cut the meat into big chunk, and all I'm gonna do right now is add some water and cover the meat all the way, and I'm gonna cover this and refrigerate this for about 2 hours. And it's been a little over 2 hours, and the meat was soaking in the water. So by doing this, it's like kind of a secret way to get the juicy and tender meat for your biryani. So now I am going to drain. You can see like just like that. So I'm gonna go drain the water, and then we're gonna move to the next step. Next, I'm gonna marinate the meat with salt to taste, and salt and pepper is always to taste, and then plain yogurt, ginger, and garlic paste. Written ingredient is down below in the description box. And then homemade biryani masala powder. So I'm using teaspoon right now. So this is about 2 tablespoons of biryani masala powder. So now I am just gonna use my hand. I have already washed my hand because you want this to be incorporate very nicely. I wanna marinate this meat in the fridge for at least 6 to 8 hours, or you can do it overnight as well. Okay guys, so the marinated meat is already in the pressure cooker. As you can see, my pressure cooker only gonna fit about 1.5 pounds of meat, and over here potatoes already fried, and my basmati rice is soaking, and I also have 2 handful of fried onions that is ready to go, and some stuff that I am going to add in this right now that I forgot to add a tablespoon of honey yesterday. So I left the meat marinated overnight in the fridge, and I also have water boiling here, which I have add only like few cardamom and cinnamon stick. I have a large onion blend into paste. I'm gonna add that as well. Mix. Then I'm gonna add the fried onion And I'm gonna just leave a little bit to garnish on top of the rice, not too much, just a little bit. Chop coriander, mint, and just I just add the potatoes, and then you're gonna give this a good mix. And on the other side here, the water is boiling for the rice. But before I add the water, I'm gonna add, because before I add the basmati rice to the boiling water, here I need to add some water, adjust the gravy level, because once you put the rice in to boil, this has to be ready. You have no time, absolutely no time, because you don't want mushy rice. You have to be careful and watch the rice, like babysit most likely. And I'm gonna add a little more water. I'm not gonna cover the meat too much, since this is a pressure cooker. It cooks faster and the meat will get tender since I marinated overnight. But like I said yesterday, 6 to 8 hours is also good. All right, so that's good enough for the amount of water that I have here. And now it's time to move on to the rice. Okay guys, so I just taste a little bit of the gravy and I add a little bit of salt. I see that salt needed. So this is a perfect timing before to add the rice in. Before you add the rice in, just taste the salt. And don't forget, we also add salt in the water as well. It's time to add the rice to the water. The rice was soaking for half an hour. Guys, my cameraman is not home this weekend, so I'm filming this on my own, and hopefully you guys are like seeing everything properly. Maybe I can bring the camera front a little bit. So I'm not gonna boil this rice completely. As you know, if you saw my biryani recipe before, then you know how it goes. So I'm just gonna make sure that I spread these potatoes everywhere. Make sure each of the side of the pressure cooker has potatoes. This one here is too close to each other. Okay, so it's been like less than a minute since I add this rice. I'm gonna remove one big spoon and scatter the rice all over the gravy, just like that. I like to remove all the cardamom and the cinnamon that they already did their job now. Throw them, we don't need them now. So I'm gonna do the same, repeat another layer. Just scatter the rice all over. It's the last layer. I have drained the rice completely, and we're gonna add on top. Let me just get all of the rice here. I don't want to miss anything. I don't want to waste anything. Sprinkle this leftover fried onion that I have saved. Sprinkle on top. And then some yellow food color. You can use saffron. You can add a tablespoon of oil on top. I'm not going to because I think there's enough oil. Close the pressure cooker. We're gonna let it cook for 20 minutes over medium-high heat. And then we are going to turn off the heat and just leave it. Don't open it for another 20 minutes. And it is, wow, smell, you know already. Let's just push the rice one side, and I want to show you the rice is cooked. There's no water, nothing. So now let's go and plate so I can show you how the biryani is actually looking. Now Are you guys excited? Because I am. Not only because I'm getting to go eat this biryani, but also I have fulfilled your request, and that makes me the happiest person. This is a smoke. And the rice is not mushy. It's just grainy. Yummy, yummy. Just get some meat. The pressure cooker biryani is ready to serve. I am ready to go have lunch. So you guys can see this potato right here. That's gonna be mine because I purposely let biryani little bit, touch in the bottom so that I can have them. Doesn't matter, meat or potatoes. This plate, this tray is so hot. You guys, I can't wait. I'm gonna have to leave you. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. I will see you next time with another recipe. Bye bye.